Once upon a time, in a cozy little village nestled between rolling hills and blooming gardens, lived a tiny kitten named Whiskers. Whiskers was the smallest in his litter, but he had the biggest heart and the most adventurous spirit. His fur was a soft, fluffy gray, and his bright green eyes sparkled with curiosity. Whiskers loved to explore the village, making friends with the other animals and discovering new places. Despite his size, he never shied away from a challenge. He dreamed of being as brave as his mother, who was known as the most courageous cat in the village. One sunny afternoon, as Whiskers was playing near the village square, he heard a commotion. The villagers were gathered around, looking worried and pointing towards the old oak tree that stood at the edge of the village. Whiskers scampered over to see what was happening. At the top of the oak tree, a small bird named Chirpy was stuck. Chirpy had been trying to fly, but a strong gust of wind had blown her off course, and now she was too scared to come down. Whiskers' heart went out to Chirpy. He knew he had to help her. Without a second thought, he approached the tree. The other animals watched anxiously. "You can't climb that tree, Whiskers," a rabbit named Thumper exclaimed. "It's too tall and dangerous for a kitten like you." Whiskers looked up at the towering tree and felt a flutter of doubt. But then he remembered his mother's words: bravery isn't about being the biggest or the strongest. It's about having the courage to do what's right. With a determined look, Whiskers began to climb the tree. His tiny claws gripped the rough bark, and he carefully made his way up, one paw at a time. The villagers held their breath as they watched the little kitten climb higher and higher. Halfway up the tree, Whiskers slipped. His heart pounded as he dangled precariously, but he took a deep breath and regained his footing. "I can do this," he whispered to himself. "I have to help Chirpy." Finally, after what seemed like an eternity, Whiskers reached the branch where Chirpy was stuck. The little bird was trembling with fear. "It's okay, Chirpy," Whiskers said gently. "I'm here to help you. Just hop onto my back, and I'll take you down." Chirpy hesitated for a moment, then carefully climbed onto Whiskers' back. With his heart pounding, Whiskers began the descent. The climb down was even more challenging, but Whiskers focused on each step, determined to get Chirpy safely to the ground. When Whiskers finally reached the bottom, the villagers erupted in cheers. Chirpy fluttered her wings and chirped happily, grateful to be back on solid ground. "You're a hero, Whiskers," Thumper exclaimed. "You saved Chirpy." Whiskers blushed, his fur fluffing up with pride. "I just did what I had to do," he said modestly. Word of Whiskers' bravery spread throughout the village, and he became known as the brave little kitten. From that day on, whenever someone needed help, Whiskers was always there, ready to lend a paw. He had proven that true courage comes from within, and that even the smallest creatures can do great things. And so, Whiskers continued to explore, play, and make friends, always ready for his next adventure. He had learned that bravery isn't about being fearless, but about facing your fears and doing what's right, no matter how small you are. The moral of the story: true bravery comes from within, and even the smallest of us can achieve great things when we believe in ourselves and act with courage.